Introducing the solar fridge, cooled by SureChill technology. Wouldn't it be great if you could serve fresh, tasty meals every day? We understand how hard it can be to keep food fresh and delicious when you live off-grid. When it's hot outside, food spoils quickly, so you have to spend more time cooking and shopping every day. That's a waste of your time and your money. And it leaves you less time to spend with your kids. Wouldn't it be great if you could serve fresh, tasty meals every day? Well, now you can. You too can live the on-grid lifestyle with solar-powered fridge cooled by SureChill technology. SureChill's unique technology uses the sun's free energy to keep the inside of your fridge perfectly cool, even after the sun has set day after day. The ideal environment in which to keep your food fresher for longer. No more spoilage. That means less time shopping and cooking for you, more time with your family, and savings that can be invested in their future. Interested? Contact us to find out how you can get your solar fridge with SureChill technology in your home. And soon, you too will be shopping less, cooking less, and saving more.